What's up, future millionaires and billionaires? Welcome back to the channel and to a groundbreaking new series brought to you by Roylty's Black Wall Street Fund. I'm your host Roylty, and today, we're not just talking about getting rich. We're going beyond rich, beyond comfortable, into the realm of generational wealth. We're talking about building an empire, just like the original Black Wall Street vision, but for the 21st century. Many gurus out there will tell you how to make a quick buck, and that's fine. But quick bucks often lead to quick losses. At Roylty's Black Wall Street, we're about sustainable, scalable wealth. We're about creating a legacy. And today, I'm going to lay out the exact blueprint, step by step, to achieve just that. Every journey to wealth starts with income generation. You can't invest what you don't have. So let's talk about a powerful initial strategy, car flipping. I know, it sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective for building initial capital. Our goal here is aggressive. Save $60,000 through car flipping. This isn't just about turning a profit. It's about learning sales, negotiation, and market dynamics. Imagine buying a car for $5,000. Putting $1,000 into minor repairs and detailing, and selling it for $8,000. That's a $2,000 profit. Do that 30 times, and you've hit your $60,000. This is your seed money, your war chest. Once you have that capital, we immediately get strategic with your finances. The goal is to separate yourself from your business, especially for tax purposes. First, create an INR LLC. You want to operate as a business, not just an individual. Why? Because as an employee of your own LLC, you can significantly reduce your tax burden. This isn't tax evasion, it's smart tax planning, leveraging the tax code in your favor, just like the biggest corporations do. Next, you're going to create an ADP account and pay yourself through accredited bank account in Chime. This is crucial for building your business credit. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of intertwining personal and business finances. Don't do it. Paying yourself through ADP and using a dedicated business bank account establishes a clear financial trail, which lenders love to see, and while you're at it, purchase Costco and other store credit cards that you frequent, but under your INR LLC. This helps you build that business credit score even faster. Use them responsibly, pay them off in full, and watch your business credit profile grow. This is your foundation for leveraging OPM other people's money for future investments. Now that you have your $60,000 and your business infrastructure, it's time to put that capital to work. We're dividing it strategically. We're taking $30,000 and opening a day trade account. Our focus here is on NQ NASDAQ 100 futures. The goal, $1,000 a day. This requires discipline, rigorous strategy, and understanding market movements. You'll use AI-powered trading signals, economic data triggers, Markov chain alpha processes, and the Kelly criterion for optimal bet sizing, all part of the proprietary Black Wall Street quantitative trading system we'll dive deeper into later. This isn't gambling, it's calculated risk. Simultaneously, we're taking the other $30,000 and investing it into a strategically planned whole life insurance policy. This isn't just life insurance, it's an infinite banking concept. Once established, you can withdraw $22,000 from this policy through a policy loan. This is tax-free access to your capital, allowing you to invest it elsewhere while your initial $30,000 continues to grow in the policy. It's a powerful tool for wealth accumulation and access to liquidity. With our initial capital deploy, we expand our income-generating strategies and optimize for tax efficiency. Next, we're going to purchase notes. This includes mortgage notes and business promissory notes. This is where you become the bank. You buy debt at a discount and collect consistent interest payments. This is a powerful, often overlooked, passive income stream that can generate significant cash flow. Simultaneously, you need to set up stocks, ETFs, bonds, securities, annuities, convertibles, and fixed assets into a Roth IRA and a 401k. Max out these accounts. The Roth IRA offers tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement, and a 401k provides tax-deferred growth. These are non-negotiable for long-term wealth building and tax optimization. This is where you build your core diversified portfolio. Now, we're putting more capital to work, diversifying our holdings and acquiring hard assets. From your growing income streams, you're going to take $10,000 and put it into a high-yield savings account. Think Bass Bank, Pi Bank, Sophie, City, places where your money earns significant interest while remaining liquid. This acts as your emergency fund and a ready source of capital for opportunistic investments. And here's a savvy move: buy gold with your Costco credit card. Yes, you heard that right. Not only are you acquiring a tangible asset that serves as an inflation hedge, but you're also leveraging your business credit and potentially earning rewards. Take $8,000 and set up a DRIP account, dividend reinvestment plan, focused on blue chip dividends. These are established companies that consistently pay and grow their dividends. With a DRIP, your dividends automatically buy more shares, compounding your returns exponentially over time. This is the epitome of passive income. Allocate another $2,000 into an S&P index fund. This gives instant diversification across the 500 largest companies, providing solid, long-term growth with minimal effort. And finally, keep $2,000 personal for immediate needs or small, personal indulgences. Remember, this is about building wealth, but also about enjoying the journey. Now, this is where things get really exciting, and where the Black Wall Street vision truly comes alive: acquiring land and building your real estate empire. You're going to purchase land, and we're going to do it strategically. How? By switching your traditional IRA to a self-directed IRA. This allows you to invest in alternative assets, including real estate. You can also use a business loan, remember that strong business credit we built, or you can even leverage defaulted notes that you've purchased. The key here is to avoid taking a personal loan. We want to keep your personal income as avoidable by taxes as possible. This is about leveraging business structures and smart financial instruments to acquire appreciating assets. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse behind this blueprint, Black Wall Street, the greatest financial wealth management company in history. Black Wall Street BWS is a revolutionary financial wealth management firm designed to maximize wealth creation, preservation, and generational prosperity. We combine cutting-edge investment strategies, alternative assets, and AI-driven portfolio management to outperform traditional financial institutions. Our core principles are simple but profound: alternative asset dominance, leveraging undervalued and high-growth assets; AI in quantitative trading, utilizing medallion fund-inspired strategies; passive income generation, structured to produce consistent cash flow; tax efficiency and wealth preservation, advanced estate planning and tax strategies; and diversification across asset classes, reducing risk while optimizing returns. Let's break down our investment strategies that power this wealth machine. Real estate empire, multifamily rentals and ADUS, purchase duplex triplex properties with accessory, dwelling units ADUS. Refinance annually to extract equity and reinvest. Use property management for passive income. This is the BRRR method on steroids. And commercial real estate CRE, invest in our EITS hotels and retail spaces. Partner with Blackstone-style PE deals. Looking for scale and significant cash flow here. Business ownership and private equity, minority stakes in high-growth businesses. Invest in startups, e-commerce, and cash-flowing businesses. Our exit strategies are via acquisitions or IPOs. Side hustle franchises, laundromats, barbershops, car detailing, and auto shops. These are proven, cash-generating businesses that can be systematized for passive income. Stock and ETF dominance, dividend aristocrats and high-yield ETFs. Focus on SCHD, VYM, and our custom Black Wall Street ETFs. We want consistent, growing income. ARK-style innovation bets, AI biotech, and disruptive tech via ARKK-like funds. We're looking for exponential growth. Quantitative trading medallion fund model, machine learning Markov chains, and Kelly criterion for optimal bets. This is where our AI truly gives us an edge. Hard assets and inflation hedges, gold and silver, physical bullion plus ETF SGLD, SLV, essential for preserving wealth against inflation. Classic cars and Rolex watches, rare appreciating assets that offer both enjoyment and investment potential. Firearms, limited edition collectibles that hold and often increase in value. Hard assets and inflation hedges, gold and silver, physical bullion plus ETF SGLD, SLV, essential for preserving wealth against inflation. Finally, art and charity startups, fixed income and arbitrage, treasury bills and corporate bonds, safe yield for portfolio stability. Start with $500, invest in BWS ETF plus DRIP dividend reinvestment. Get started, even with a small amount. Scale into high-yield assets as capital grows. Reinvest your earnings. Reinvest cash flow into more income-generating assets. Avoid negative dividend growth. Your money works for you, and its babies work for you too. Remember our AI-powered trading. Let's dive deeper into the Black Wall Street quantitative trading system. Peer-to-peer lending, P2P high-interest private loans via platforms like Prosper and Lending Club. Closed-end funds, CEFS and BDCS, targeting 8-12% yields for consistent income. Let's talk about a tangible goal. How to generate for $000 month, $48,000 year in passive income. Look at this breakdown. These are the capital amounts you'll need to generate for $1,000 a month from various high-yield sources. This table shows you the power of consistent income generation. Inspired by the legendary Medallion Fund, our system uses economic data triggers, trade based on CPI, PPI, Fed rates, and earnings beats. Markov chain alpha process, predicts short-term anomalies and movements. Pattern recognition and anti-efficient market hypothesis, exploiting recurring price sequences ignored by traditional analysts. Kelly criterion for optimal bet sizing, maximize returns while minimizing risks. 200 EMA ribbon strategy, buy above 200 EMA, sell below with tight stop loss. Our profit triggers are precise, to 1 max profit to break-even ratio. Follow 3 candle trends, buy pullbacks after strong uptrends, and maximizing options trading. Short selling opportunities, 20 ways to profit from bearish moves. We profit in any market condition. Black Wall Street Holdings LLC, this is your umbrella, housing all your investments, real estate, and side businesses. It provides legal protection and tax advantages. Self-directed IRA and Roth IRA, tax-free growth on investments is paramount. Whole life insurance, infinite banking concept, borrow against your policy for tax-free investments. This is literally using your own money to make more money tax-free. And now, the true power play, leveraging debt for wealth. Appraise your business at $500,000. Build that value. Take a $400K, $500K business loan. Your strong business credit makes this possible. A cash-flowing real estate duplexes, ADUS. Immediately put that debt to work in income-producing assets. Repeat the BRR buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat method. This is how you exponentially grow your real estate portfolio without constantly injecting new personal capital. This table represents our final Black Wall Street portfolio allocation. It's a meticulously diversified portfolio designed for maximum growth, income, and stability across various economic cycles. You can see our strong emphasis on financial services, technology, industrials, and critical hard assets like gold and treasury bills. This is a blueprint for true portfolio optimization. In conclusion, Black Wall Street is not just a wealth management firm, it's a financial revolution. By combining real estate, private equity, AI trading, and passive income strategies, BWS is engineered to outperform traditional Wall Street models. Your next steps are clear. Open a brokerage account: Fidelity, Schwab, Interactive Brokers. Start with $500 in BWS ETF and DRIP. Get in the game. Scale into high-yield assets. Reinvest, reinvest, reinvest. Leverage business loans for real estate. Become a real estate mogul. Automate cash flow until reaching your goal of $0 month and beyond. Our final goal for you, for all of us, is $1 million plus in passive income within 10 years. This isn't a dream, it's a mathematical possibility with the right strategy and execution. Our final goal for you, for all of us, is $1 million plus in passive income within 10 years. This isn't a dream, it's a mathematical possibility with the right strategy and execution. Welcome to the new era of wealth. Welcome to Black Wall Street.